Hello, today I am going to show you how to change this big slider image in our front end website with these heading, subheading and the text on the button. So if you click on this a button, you will see there is a big slider image rolling over. So I'm going to show you how to change these images or add as many as slides, or if you don't want any particular slide, you can simply go ahead and delete it. So let's add to our domain /admin to get into the CMS panel. So log in with your user ID and password. Okay, so in dashboard you will have this slider option on the sidebar. In the side menu, you will left hand side menu, you will get this slider option. So click here and you will see currently there are two sliders with same images uploaded. So let's go ahead and delete one of them. Simply click on this trash button and hit OK, so it will be deleted. This is how simply we can delete a slider. If you refresh the website, okay, so you will not get any button to roll over the slider. Okay, so let's go ahead and add one slider. Click on add banner. Now you can upload image with a size 1920 of width and 670 of height. According this size, you can create your banner or slider image and you can upload it. Let's say I'm uploading one image. Please give the alt text slider 1. I'm giving a banner title, let's say Indian fashions. Subtitle, cubic finest cubic zirconium jewelry, and on the button no more, and we can simply click on add banner. So a banner has been added. Refresh the page. Okay, now we have this button. So if we click here, now we have this slider. So by this process you can delete slider, you can add as many as slider, and that's we go with this slider options. Thank you.